Good morning. How are you today? Welcome to class, my handsome, beautiful, brilliant pupils. Today, we are going to learn about multiplication. What are we learning about today? Can you say it again? Specifically, we are going to learn about multiplication of three-digit numbers. Say it with me. Multiplication of three-digit numbers. Here are some examples of three-digit numbers: 321, 103, 745. Can you write down 4 examples of three-digit numbers? Excellent! Can you try and multiply those two numbers? 121 times 321. Excellent! Let's work through this calculation together. We start with our ones. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is another 1. Let's go to our tens. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. Let's go to our hundreds. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. And 3 times 1 is 3. Let us add our numbers together. In our ones, we have 1. 2 plus 2 here is 4. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 3, 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. And we have 3 right at the end. Can you read that number? Excellent. Now let's read it together. 38,841. So this is the common method of multiplying any numbers. Now I want to show you an interesting method of multiplying three-digit numbers without creating all these rows. We're going to use just one row, and this is how we're going to do it. So we will use 5 rules to guide us. Here is rule number 1. We will multiply our ones. So we'll multiply this number and place it right before the ones. So we multiply 1 times 1 and write it right before the ones as 1. We will cross multiply our tens and ones, writing our answers each time we multiply. So our tens and ones, we write our answer here. Okay, let's use a different color. Can you see that? Okay, we multiply our tens and ones again, write our answer here. We will add these two numbers and write the answer after adding these two numbers. We will write the number right below the ones. So we multiply 2 times 1, giving us 2, and 2 times 1, giving us another 2. We add these two numbers, 2 plus 2 is 4, and write the 4 right below the ones. 4. The next step may sound a little complicated, but with practice, I know you'll get it. So we multiply our hundreds and ones. We write our answer there. Our hundreds and ones, we write our answer there, and multiply our tens. Our tens, we write our answer there, and add these numbers. Here we go. 3 times 1, 3. 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 2, 4. Let's add our numbers. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 3, 8. We write our 8 here. Our next step is to cross multiply our hundreds and tens and add our answers. So cross multiply hundreds and tens. You write your answer. Your hundreds and tens. You write your answer and add these two numbers. Cross multiply 3 times 2, 6. 1 times 2, 2. Add those two numbers and write it here. Excellent. Our last step is nice and easy. All we need to do is multiply our hundreds. Multiply 3 times 1 and write your answer here. Easy, right? Can you read this number? Excellent. Let's read it together. 38,841. Uh-oh. That's the same answer we got using this method. Amazing, right? Would you like to know what would happen if we had to carry a number forward? Well then, all you need to do is subscribe to Z Online School. Have a blessed day.